Yeah.
Not right that one.
No. Let's go up this row here, then we'll say a big goodbye. Just go up this row here, and then we'll say big goodbye. Just saying that one, but I suppose it made people sell their cars off, isn't it? Get some art, look. Why I say I don't know, but it's quite good.
One leg in, slowly coming.
That's when cars were simple, though. That. It's an old one. Look at this. Look. Mr. Paul might like this one.
No, it's the wrong colour.
That's white. Very basic inside. There's a mechanic in there, look at that engine. Look.
No, I like
That's got mirrors on the side bit, look.
Huh?
It's got mirrors on the side of the
Yeah.
thing, look. They got them as well, look. I suppose they didn't have wing mirrors then, did they?
No.
I have to look over there, there's some cars over there. That's fresh. Fresh boots.
Yeah.
No, you could run it, it's just that hopefully you won't quite make good track then. See what happens with
Wow. That's the end of that. It's goodbye from me, Martin.
Goodbye for myself, Andrea.
See you next one. Don't forget, click like and subscribe.